Let's summarize some of the key learnings from this course. To be a successful investor or trader, understanding the working of financial markets is extremely important. And to achieve this objective, we started off with the introduction to financial markets and seen some related examples. Next, you learned the need for financial markets. That is, why it acts as a bellwether for the economy and how it creates investment opportunities for retail individuals. Then, you learned about financial instruments traded in the financial markets. You learned about stocks, their types, benefits and risks of owning them in detail. After that, you learned about primary and secondary markets. You were also exposed to the trading workflow along with the details of various intermediaries that make up financial markets. We discussed how you can access financial markets via a broker or DMA, how trades happen on exchanges, and facilities provided by exchanges. Additionally, you learned the role of central security depositories and the regulators who regulate financial markets. You learned about market indices, their usage and applications. Also, their types and examples were discussed. We also learned the difference between investors and traders, and touched upon their classification based on the roles they perform. We discussed speculators, arbitrageurs and hedgers. Apart from primary and secondary markets, you learnt about various types of markets. Specifically capital markets, equity markets, debt markets, commodity markets, FX markets and the derivatives market. While doing so we reflected on the differences between exchange-based markets and OTC markets. Finally, you learned common jargon used in financial markets such as long, short, bull market, and so on. This is where we end our learning. We hope that you have enjoyed the learnings from this course. Since we covered so many different topics, you might want to review them a few times so as to appreciate them better. If you have any queries, please post them on the Quantra community and try your hand at answering others' queries too. You'll be surprised at how much you learn when you teach. Good luck.